Alright, well here's the mess. Gotta scoop that up. So let's get started. But this might take a while. Alright, a little bit of a mess made. I'm gonna have to repeat this with a lot more kitty litter. But we're halfway there, or something like that. Okay. Okay, here we are. Hope I'm not forgetting anything. Slides are in, awning is in, everything's put up. All the electronics that I mostly care about are in good spots. Mirrors are out. I've got gas. Oil was just changed. Lights are on. Brake off. I'm gonna let it warm up for a second. Alright, I just need to get directions. Let me plug those in. It gets a little squirrely. The roads are not great. They're narrow.
In a quarter mile, turn left to stay on South Barnett Shoals Road.
I don't know if you can see that through the stabilization, but it is. Boy, that car is ready to go. They're like, I'm trying to leave. Pulling up. Alright. Everybody's walking their dog and driving 2 miles an hour. I just need to understand that's what's going to happen. It's what I'm going to see. And just relax. And go dump your tanks. Alright. Alright, I did have to call. But they let me in. Do the same thing I did last time. And try not to get noticed. So I don't need help, but if somebody does need help, I want them to feel comfortable pointing it out. I don't know. Maybe it's all in how you say or ask something, you know? This is really cool though. Public Works. I don't see anybody out here. I doubt they would park a truck right there on purpose for a long period of time. Anyway, so here we are. I don't remember that sign being there last time. This is RVs. Alright, let me try to park. Can't get close. Well, you can get closer than that. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Man, if I backed up more. I could just dump it without the hose. Let's try that. Okay, well I failed at that. I just didn't want to hit anything. I should still be able to do what I'm thinking. Alright, this is gonna be gross. Both of those are in. Here, let me set my phone down. Okay. I did spare you some grossness. Alright, black tank. Let's go. Black, then gray. All my pee and poo poo. God, I hate that. Alright, let's start cleaning up. Perfect. Look at that. It's a miracle. You can use the water and spray up into the black tank. And even after it's empty, after you spray, look at all that stuff that comes out. I guess this is kind of like one of those blasters that you can attach to a regular hose. What do we say? Oh, look at that. Gray actually says empty, and black says 3/4 still. And we need fresh water, although it's about half. Alright, let's get out of here. I forget if this is one way or not, but it doesn't matter. It's Sunday. And this is the back. Anyway, so that is the, what's it called? Cedar Creek Water Reclamation Center facility. I give it 1 thumbs up. It's really cool. They have like a whole solar farm somewhere as well. Oh, there it is right there. I don't know if you can see it with the lens angle. But anyway, what a cool way to use tax dollars, you know? Reclaim water. Have facilities that use renewable energy and facilities that are open to the public to use for recreational purposes. Look at the solar. Buckle up.
East on Dogs Drive.
Dogs Drive. All right.
800 feet.
Didn't rain on us.
Straight. South Barnett Shoals Road.
All right. The exit. Open. Sesame. I hope this car goes quickly. Thank you, car. Alright, and there you have it. The Cedar Creek facility. Okay. What else do I need? I want to make sure this guy's charged, and it is. Let's put it back in its case. I think we're in a good spot. I just need to figure out where I'm going. Let these charge. Let that charge. I want to put the hoses up and find a place where the oil goes, and then it should be about time to check the oil. So let's do that. Look, there's that wasp again. Yeah, there must be a nest somewhere. Anyway, let me clean all this up. Alright, well, I got on the road and headed to Cedar Creek. There's another name, I'm sure you'll hear it in a minute, in a terrible mood. So I'm hoping this does something for me. I just can't shake it. Anyway, so this is going to be a free campsite off the grid. So I've got to get used to no hookups again. It's been a little while. Actually, no, it's been a long while since I've done extended periods of no hookups. Alright, we are in Madison. Please don't be a police officer. At least going to do a couple days. Well, you know, hopefully I can find a campsite. First of all, there's not that many apparently. It's more like a hunting area. So if I can find a spot, then explore the area for a couple days. I do want to get the new carburetor installed on the generator and see if I can get anything working that way. Because that would open up, you know, a few days of other things. It would also make me feel better. These main county roads, as pretty as they are like an interstate for these locals. And they hate being behind people. Rock Eagle! Turned into a gas station. It's really coming down. It's only 3:26 here, so that's pretty good. So,
in 150 feet, turn left towards Sarah Lee Boulevard.
I'm gonna go ahead and fill up. I'm gonna go ahead and look real quick. I have to tinkle anyway. Alright, got the gas going. 3:30. Oh, they lied. It's supposed to be 3:26. Alright, whatever. Go ahead and fill it up. There is a lot in the back by the skulls, you can see right there. It's so cold. Anyway, there's a lot back there. It looks like they have plenty of room, so they probably wouldn't really care if I stayed. Alright. Oh, that laundry smells so good in there. Ugh. Boy, it is freezing. Oof. I need some coffee. Louis, you fogged up the windows. Good Lord. I mean, it just started blowing wind and it's freezing. Alright, I gotta turn this vent off. I definitely need some dry clothes and a jacket to put on. Anyway, so yeah, the GPS cords were wrong. I found in the comment section somebody else posted some, so I used those. Got me here, but when I was trying to turn around down by the road, and I'll show you, it was a mud puddle like this, except a lot bigger. I got in the ditch. The RV just kept sliding in. I thought it was going to tip over on the right side. I wish I'd done video. I was hanging out inside the road, so I was nervous. The RV was in the road partially. So I checked out where the water was going, and further down it wasn't as deep, and so I just kept reversing and going forward as fast as I could. till it got over the bump. And my contingency plan was to get it stuck more and let it slide down the hill on its right side just to get out of the road. And that way I could at least stay there for the night. Because there's no way somebody has something to tow this on a Sunday night. Again, my planning. But when I got out of the vehicle to assess the situation the first time, because I actually got out and walked down this trail until I saw this opening, just to know I could turn around, because it is very tight. And when I got out to assess it, the power cord was like I had a little streamer on the back of the vehicle. So I need to check out the power cord to make sure it's not broken. Ow. It's on me somewhat because I didn't plan very well. But other than that, wow, beautiful. So the sun's setting over there, so that's west. So we'll get a beautiful sunrise coming this way. You can see the road. Can hear it. That's all right. I don't mind that. You won't be able to inside. Okay. All in all, the only thing is I'm not quite level. It looks like I'm slanting on the slide out side. Okay, I'm not gonna go too aggressive. Yes. Yeah. Kind of low light. But all right, we're all set up. Just to do a test, I was got the computer connected, and this thing is so loud. You get these from Ryobi at like Home Depot. It converts one of your lawn batteries into power you can use. USB-C, A, and standard 110, 120 volt. 3-pin plug. Looks pretty good, except it's loud. Anyway, with my computer and 2 monitors going, I'm only using like 150 on that, so it lasts quite a while. Made some tea. I gotta fix that sound machine so it doesn't go off. Good boy. I don't know how long it's supposed to rain. I know as soon as I get Louie and dry him off and bring him in, it's gonna stop. Looks like it's settling down. I mean, it doesn't look like it's going to settle down. Louie, get out of the woods. Come here. Come. Just chill over here. You were freaking out in the car. You get to chill outside. I do have to, I mean, there's plenty of wood. It's just, it's not going to be dry. Weather forecast is not great for that. Can you say bye-bye?